Okay. Here, look. This is the fucking, you guys didn't see any of that shit. Hilarious. This is the Bitcoin and Nvidia pair chart, right? So every single time there's a blow off top on this Bitcoin and Nvidia pair, that means that crypto topped. So in 2013 cycle, boom, called the top. In January, December 17, called the top on Bitcoin. Right here in February, March of 2021, called the top on Bitcoin. And you saw the rotation into altcoins, right? So this happened every single cycle. Bitcoin starts outperforming Nvidia. Why? Because there's a rotation from large equity assets down into risk assets. Now Bitcoin pumps, ETH pumps, then you create this wealth effect on chain from all the bag holders that are native to crypto, and then those bag holders rotate into altcoins to capture more gains. That's where you see the alt season. So we haven't had that yet this year. That's what I was saying is boom, boom, boom. 3 tops. On this chart, we haven't had this cycle yet. Yep. And here is what I was saying is this chart now, because Bitcoin is outperforming Nvidia. Nvidia is down like 6% today. Bitcoin's up, right? Don't need song. Can we get a song to finish the stream today? Yeah, we'll get a song. Fucking Naeem. Fuck it, we're doing it live, Naeem. So you get this chart on Bitcoin and Nvidia. It looks like it's trying to top out. Hold on. I'll draw this out for you again, right? Or trying to bottom out. Look. So it's been down only since last cycle, Bitcoin and Nvidia. So Nvidia's been outperforming Bitcoin. Lower low, lower high, lower low. Now we're trying to set the higher high and change this trend back to the upside. So now this is another chart that shows me, okay, interesting. It looks like everything's trying to put in a bottom right now. Crypto may have already put in its bottom, likely did. And now we're getting this reversal on this chart. For the first time, we're getting a break of market structure. Because every other time, look. High, low, lower high, lower 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 low. This is the first time. Look, the first time in 4 years. Years. Look at this. 4 years. For the first time in 4 years, this chart. What the fuck? Why is it doing that? This chart is trying to make a higher high. That's a big deal, right? That's a big deal. The first time in 4 years, we're going for a break of market structure in this chart. Look, we're pushing it right now. So to me, it's like, okay, we're close. We got to be close. If this cycle gets saved and we don't enter a fucking macro, we don't go into a macro recession, right? That would be the only thing that would stop us. This chart is putting in its bottom, right? It put in its bottom. This is the first time in fucking 4 years. It's trying to set a higher high. So if this candle can pop up over here and raid these highs, that's the break of the market structure. We're going to the upside now. That means crypto is about to start outperforming. That means risk assets are about to start outperforming. That's when you get your alt season. And the other thing that's giving me confidence with this, oh shit, gentlemen, look at this. Who could have fucking foreseen this, huh? Other than your boy, other than fucking Stunna. I drew this arrow right up here when this candle was here, this daily, and I said we're gonna get a pullback. Look where I drew it. We're gonna get a pullback. We didn't come quite as deep as I thought we would, right? We got our pullback, but it came down here, and I said it's gonna come back out, break the trend line. Look what we did. Come back out, break the trend line. Look what we're gonna do. Look at this shit. Competent in all realms. Pop right up here where I was expecting it to, and then we're gonna get this retest of the downtrend, right? Retest it, and then we're gonna go. This is it, gentlemen. Look at this. Downtrend on others. This is altcoins, right? Downtrend has been respected this entire time. It's been suppressing us this entire time. Look, this entire time. This is the first time we're getting a break of structure here. So we're going to need it to be more of a breakout than this. So we'll likely get this retest, right? Turn this into from resistance to support. We turn this into support, this trend line. Bang, we start squeezing to the upside. Altcoins are going to start running. So similar to what happened here, right? Downtrend. This is from March of 24. We hit our top. Pepe does its 10x. Boys Club runs in March of last year. We respect this downtrend all the way through the August 5th nuke, through September, and then you break out. You retest the downtrend. One last shakeout. Bang. Bang. But you never hit the trend line again, right? Same fucking thing here. It's the same structure. It's also the same structure here. It's just these blow off tops, sharp corrections. Blow off tops, sharp corrections. Blow off top, sharp correction. Blow off top, sharp correction. We're trying to break out right now. Okay. Get ready, gentlemen. This may be it. This fucking may be it. Okay. What time is it? I like it. I like it. I like it a lot.